In car manufacturing, robots play a vital role in heavy lifting and task automation, particularly through collaborative robots. While humanoid robots are a relatively new addition to car production units, their utilization is expected to rapidly expand due to their efficiency and adaptability. Mercedes Benz is exploring the use of humanoid robots to handle physically demanding and repetitive tasks at one of its factories, aiming to address challenges in finding reliable workers. The automaker, headquartered in Stuttgart, Germany, will test the Apollo robots developed by Aptronic in Austin, Texas. This initiative represents a departure from the traditional use of robots in manufacturing, which has primarily focused on heavy lifting or task automation. The introduction of Apollo robots marks a significant shift, as they are among the first humanoid robots to be deployed in a factory setting. Their human-like design enables carmakers to enhance factory automation without the need for expensive modifications to layout or production lines. In August 2023, the unveiling of Apollo marked a significant advancement in humanoid robotics, specifically tailored for warehouse operations. Developed by Aptronic, headquartered in Austin, Texas, Apollo boasts a modular design, integrated LED features, and a runtime of 4 hours, showcasing the latest in robotic innovation. Aptronic's ambition is to pioneer a practical general-purpose robot, priced at less than $100,000 with a production target of 1 million units by 2030. They plan to reveal a prototype in early 2024. The company has its origins in the Human-Centered Robotics Lab at the University of Texas at Austin, stemming from its involvement in the 2015 DARPA Robotics Challenge. Chief Technology Officer and co-founder, Nick Payne, played a significant role in enhancing next-gen actuation and controls for NASA, marking Aptronic's initial contract focused on robotics. The creation of the Apollo's humanoid robot is a collaboration between Optronic Inc., a small business in Austin, Texas, and NASA. Engineered for versatile applications such as logistics, manufacturing, home delivery, and patient care, Apollo also holds promise for space missions, assisting astronauts on the Moon, Mars, and serving as remote avatars for Earth-based operators. Standing at 1.7 meters tall and weighing 72.6 kilograms, Apollo can lift up to 25 kilograms, 55 pounds. Operating on electricity rather than traditional hydraulic systems, it features a 4-hour battery, swappable to sustain a 22-hour workday. Its modular design allows for mounting on various platforms and configurations, with LED indicators serving as communication tools. Apollo's adaptability enables easy reconfiguration for different tasks, accommodating varying levels of autonomy and tool utilization. Leveraging NASA's expertise ensures safe operation alongside humans. Initially focusing on logistics to address labor shortages, Optronic foresees Apollo tackling diverse tasks across sectors in the coming decade. Rooted in the design of NASA's Valkyrie robot, Apollo underwent years of refinement to operate effectively in human-designed environments. Its primary computing system resides in its chest, supported by integrated sensors for orientation and obstacle navigation, crucial for venturing into uncertain environments like outdoor settings and potentially the lunar surface. In parallel efforts, NIO, a Chinese startup, and BMW have been exploring the use of humanoid robots in their production facilities, while Amazon has been assessing similar technology in its warehouse. A Chinese electric car manufacturer is pushing the boundaries of automation by testing humanoid robots on its assembly line. The Walker robots, developed by UB Tech Robotics, assist in quality checks for door locks, seat belts, headlights, and logo attachment. While specific details of the new robot are unavailable, its predecessor stood at 145 centimeters tall, weighed 77 kilograms, and had a limited battery life of 2 hours. This marks the first use of Walker robots on an electric vehicle assembly line, showcasing their real-time image capture and transmission capabilities. While NIO has yet to announce an official pilot program, UB Tech Robotics sees great potential in using robots to enhance productivity in electric vehicle manufacturing, envisioning a future of human-robot coexistence. Uptech Robotics made a global impact in 2012 with their humanoid robots and AI companions, particularly with their flagship product, the Walker robot, boosting advanced movement and interaction capabilities. Meanwhile, Tesla has been developing its own humanoid robot, the Optimus, since August 2021, though it has yet to achieve widespread recognition. The Tesla bot, also referred to as Optimus, epitomizes a pioneering advancement in humanoid robotics, presently undergoing development by Tesla Incorporated. Elon Musk unveiled Optimus Gen 2 in September 2022, presenting an upgraded iteration endowed with enhanced capabilities surpassing mere locomotion and communication. Initially showcased at Tesla's Artificial Intelligence (AI) Day event on 19 August 2021, CEO Elon Musk hinted at the potential construction of a prototype by 2022. Positioned as an autonomous humanoid, the Tesla bot endeavors to address tasks categorized as unsafe, repetitive, or mundane. With commitments to improved walking speed, refined hand dexterity, tactile sensing, and various other enhancements, Optimus Gen 2 is poised for a potential release by the culmination of 2024. The proposed specifications delineate a height of 5 feet 8 inches and a weight of 57 kilograms for the Tesla bot, boosting a carrying capacity of 20 kilograms. Controlled by the same AI system currently in development for Tesla's Advanced Driver Assistance System, it's tailored for tasks deemed hazardous, repetitive, or tedious, such as manufacturing assistance. Despite initial hurdles, including the imperative to design and fabricate custom actuators due to the absence of suitable off-the-shelf options, Tesla has made remarkable progress. By September 2023, the company unveiled a video demonstrating Optimus engaging in novel activities, showcasing its proficiency in sorting colored blocks, spatial limb localization, and flexibility through yoga poses. BMW is also embracing humanoid robotics, inspired by Tesla's approach, and has partnered with Figure, a California-based startup, to introduce general-purpose robots called Digit in automotive manufacturing settings. Digit offers a wide range of capabilities suitable for both warehouse and manufacturing operations, seamlessly integrating into existing production environments without requiring significant infrastructure changes. Available through Robot as a Service or RaaS or CapEx, Digit provides flexibility while maximizing return on investment. Safety is a top priority, with Digit work cells meeting industry standards and undergoing thorough commissioning during deployment. Equipped with specialized end effectors, advanced perception, and manipulation capabilities, Digit efficiently manages tote movement processes with minimal disruption. Digit, an innovative humanoid robot crafted by Agility Robotics, embodies the company's ambitious mission to engineer legged machines capable of maneuvering environments akin to humans. Introduced in 2019 as Agility's second venture into bipedal robotics following the launch of their initial platform, Cassie, in 2016, Digit is intricately engineered for dynamic mobility, featuring agile limbs and a sensor-rich torso facilitating seamless navigation through complex surroundings and the execution of tasks such as package delivery. Standing at a height of 155 centimeters and weighing 42.2 kilograms, Digit integrates advanced components including 4 Intel RealSense depth cameras, multiple IMUs, and precise encoders for proprioception. Supported by 2 Intel i7 multi-thread CPUs for robust processing capabilities. Its adaptability extends to a payload bay accommodating additional computing hardware, such as Intel NUC or NVIDIA Jetson, enhancing its perception and machine learning capabilities. Digit's design prioritizes seamless integration into human environments and replication of human workflows, enabling it to excel in diverse tasks ranging from unloading trucks to moving boxes in warehouse. Its versatility positions it as a crucial tool in logistics and warehouse operations, with the latest iteration optimized for human-robot interaction (HRI) and furnished with manipulators tailored for handling totes. Essential plastic bins controlling goods flow in warehouse. While Digit's hands deviate from anatomically human-like structures, they are purposefully engineered for efficient tote manipulation. The robot's primary function, complemented by its ability to walk, step up on curbs, crouch, and execute other actions. Agility Robotics aims to commence large-scale manufacturing of Digit robots, with partner shipments scheduled for early 2024 and general availability anticipated the following year. Supplemented by a partner program facilitating adoption among Digit's initial commercial clientele. Boston Dynamics at last could soon find application in Hyundai's manufacturing processes, while Cyber One may be integrated into Xiaomi's car production facilities.